supposed to be raining in the morning, which I was really looking forward to because I don't have much tires. But it is what it is. I brought 4 stock Miata wheels, which is pretty bad. I just want to get a lot of seat time. So I got Mitch there, our boy Arturi, Arthur. As you guys can tell, we got blessed with this rain. Not for high horsepower cars, but for the Supercharged Miata, this is like perfect conditions. I'm super stoked on it. So yeah, I'm gonna retard the timing a little bit. I actually don't have to throw spares on because it's raining, so I'm not gonna burn through these tires. And then go out and drift. Take out one of the spark plugs and it looks like it's running just a tad bit lean. So we haven't had time to throw AFR on it, but if the motor would have blown up, it would have blown up by now. Interior looking nice and clean. I'm just excited to get some seat time. It's my time, it's long overdue, so yeah, I'm so excited. It's the only way I can fit in here, man. Let me grab my phone for audio.
Dude, Mark, you're on the ground, dude.
German smell?
Fresh oil smell. Who am I?
Yeah.
I am you and you are me.
You and me? This is Arthur. Legend has it, owner of Fix and Welded. Fucks the world. But
Fix the World International?
Yeah. He's the guy that invited us to his drift event. We wouldn't be here without him, so big ups to him.
Always cool to have you guys.
Yeah. So it's pretty cool. This is like where we link up, because we're from Vancouver, 4.5 hours. You're from
Sacramento, yeah, California. So
7 hours?
Halfway point. This is where we meet.
Perfect. Long distance relationships, you know? I gave the keys to the Miata to, what's his name? Alex.
Yes.
Yeah. I saw him drift his E36 last event. He was killing it, so yeah, I trust him.
He was just driving my car.
Yeah. I was driving with him in this E36 with the Miata, so I know he'll do it well. But yeah, let's go get some onboard footage of both you guys driving. Alright, David, I just tandemed with Arthur and the other purple E36. You got some high standards here.
Hey, okay.
You gotta keep up. You better be a better driver.
We'll see.
Leather passenger seat.
You know, I treat my passengers right, you know?
Ow, don't play.
No, don't record that, bro. Don't record.
Alright, just came out of Arthur's E36, and that thing drives like a Mercedes S-Class, dude. It's a Rolls Royce. But I don't know what suspension he has on it, but the thing drives like a boat.
You know
in a good way, though.
Like? This thing drives like a...
LSD?
Huh?
LSD?
No, it's well a diff, but it's like a click. The CV axis click is the boots are rim.
Yeah.
But this thing drives like a 50C, which is crazy. Like, how would it drive?
Drives like a 50C, oh damn. Yeah. Go figure, you know?
Yeah, I know, right? Like, what the heck? Cut the clip, bro. Cut the clip. Myself. Bro, I need air up or something. Something's wrong. It's not me, bro. It's the car. I trust. Car down on power. Or maybe it's down on driver skill. Stay tuned for the next clip.
Alright, I haven't picked up the camera like all day. I know I have some driving clips that some people sent me, but Miata's been ripping, dude. I'm like so stoked on this thing. I raised up the front. Right there. As you guys can tell, the tire wear, I don't really care about wearing the outside of the tire there. It was more of it binding up in the dry. So in the wet, it did really good because there's lubrication water. In the dry, it just kept binding up and throwing off my line. I took this thing off-roading like 4 times. You can see right here, just all over. I think I have some grass. Just, oh, this thing is filthy. Just all over, but yeah. The day was a success. We still have night driving. The track gets cold at 11 p.m., which is gnarly. I'm super stoked for that. So I think at night I'll try to pick up the camera and get some outside shots, have Ruben film some or something like that.